Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm very excited to show you the brand new Rachel Leary collab with Revolution. Now, she has done a collab in the past, but this is a brand new launch, and this is the Golden Goddess Full Glow collection. And oh my goodness, let me tell you, you are not going to be disappointed by this. Rachel Leary is a YouTuber and she's a beauty YouTuber. She does do a little bit of lifestyle as well. I've been super excited ever since I found that she was releasing a new collection. This collection was £28 off the Revolution Beauty website. It's Ed and Holly here. I just wanted to say, if you purchase all 4 of the products individually without the box, it actually equals £35. So for £28 you're getting all 4 products and a box included. So you are actually saving £7, which is fantastic. So yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you what's in the box and I'll be using some of the products. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So here's a close-up of the box. So it is very bougie, that's for sure. So it's got this glitter vibe all across the front of it and a hot pink as well. It does state what is included in the box. So it's Radiance Shimmer Oil, Loose Body Shimmer, Golden Hour Highlighter and Shimmer Bomb Lip Gloss. And then this is what the box will look like when you open it. It does have the recyclable paper in, which Revolution always include, which is fantastic. And then this is what it looks like arranged in the box. So the first product I'm going to show you is the Golden Goddess Shimmer Puff. And this is what the packaging looks like. So again, it goes with the very glittery golden and hot pink theme. And then we take off the lid and you see your little puff that is here. Oh, it is very soft, I will say. Wow. And it's just got a little piece for your hand and it is Revolution on it. And then inside, this is what it looks like. The R, is it the R for Revolution or for Rachel? And I'm just going to take off this plastic covering or little sticker. Whoa, oh my days, this looks amazing. It is scented as well. I will say it's a very subtle scent. It smells like vanilla, but very subtle. Give it a little tap. Oh my days, guys, can you see in there? Can you see the glitter? I think what I'll do is pop a little bit on my arm and a little bit like on my cheekbones. So I'm just going to dab it in, give it a little shake. I mean, you probably can't have too much of this on, can you really? Oh my goodness, that vanilla scent is stunning. If you guys like glitter, like me, you will not be disappointed with this. So if I just dab it on there, can you see that? Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. It has got like a slightly, I'm just rubbing it in a little bit, it has got a slightly bronze look about it, so you really see from this swatch how glittery and bronzed it looks. So that one, just as an individual item, was £10. Now there is also in there a Golden Goddess Face and Body Shimmer Oil. So obviously this full collection is a very like glow up kind of video. Obviously, you know, we've been in lockdown for a while, so I think the whole purpose of this one, I mean, Rachel did say that she was trying to release it last year, but obviously with COVID it was postponed, but it's here and just in time for summer as well. So this is what, are you ready, the Golden Goddess oil looks like. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now this is £12. I'm just going to give it a good shake. Are you ready? Because it's going to run. Are we ready? I've just sprayed some and it's... Can you see that? Can you see it? Oh. And I'm just going to rub that in. This kind of reminds us of a massage oil, you know. Like, it's got that very hydrating, very vanilla-y, soft scent. Honestly, that is beautiful. When Rachel did a like testing video for all this, she did use a brush, so potentially that might be wise. That's what it looks like on my finger. Can you see that there? And yeah, you can literally just, you can easily use this as what the highlighting puff kind of did. Just rub it in here. Can you see that there? Nice shimmer. I thought I'd do another little close-up just of the bottle. It looks amazing. And then just to show you the glitter particles as well, because I feel I can see it much better in this clip. Like, wow. So next up, can I just say, I smell very like a vanilla. A vanilla? Is that a thing? I smell like a vanilla. I smell like vanilla. Okay, so next up we have the highlighter. Now in general, I would say that Revolution do the best drugstore highlighters, like for sure. So I'm hoping that this will not disappoint. So, it's a mirrored packaging. Here we go, are we ready? So it's got Rachel Leary on it, Revolution Glow. And yeah, gorgeous mirrored packaging. So let me show you the inside. How stunning does this look? This looks incredible, doesn't it? Like, look at it. So this was £8, and I feel like for £8 you get a lot of product, and you also get a really decent sized mirror, and you get a mirror on the actual packaging. I mean, what more could you want? So you can use this as a bronzer as well, like a little shimmery bronzer. So I tell you what, let's do a little look. Have a little look. That is beautiful. So we're going to pop this on as a highlighter, and also I'm going to just use it as a bronzer as well. I have already got a matte like kind of bronzer on and a bit of contour, but let's go over the top of it. I will say, I will recommend, because I do have very pale skin, in case you can't tell, and I think it's probably better just to build this up, and it is very buildable, like as in I've only put a little bit on and I'm just continuing to build until I find like the right amount, you know what I mean? I will also say as well, like I don't normally like rave about a shimmery bronzer. Like normally I love a matte bronzer, but this is beautiful. So let's just go in with a bit of a highlighting brush. I will also say I literally love like very versatile products, so I'm just blending out some of the bronzer because some of it looks a little bit dark in places, but like I love that you can use a highlighter and a bronzer as the same thing, and like look at it, it's incredible. Like it's gave us a really like glowy vibe, can you see that? So the highlighter was £8 as well. So the last product within the box is the Shimmer Bomb lip gloss. Now you will know if you've seen any of my previous videos that I tested a Revolution one that was very similar to this, and it was insane. Like it was the most hydrating lip gloss I've pretty much ever tried. I think I said that in the video. So this is the wand. So it is a very thick wand. This is also scented. Oh my goodness. This smells phenomenal. It's a very sweet smell, but I'm very here for it. So yeah, let's just go straight in with the lip gloss. Again, it's a very golden kind of vibe. Now you can easily use this as a lip topper. I feel like you could easily put like a nude kind of lipstick underneath this and then pop this on top. I will say that is very hydrating. I would definitely recommend putting like a lipstick underneath, definitely probably a nude, and then popping this on top because I think that would look stunning. So that is all the products tested. Overall, I would say I'm super impressed. I mean, as soon as I heard that Rachel Leary was bringing out a brand new Revolution collab, I was so excited. I would definitely, rather than buy the products individually, I would just, maybe if you can, treat yourself and get the box as well, because then you get all the products. You save £7 because all the products added up is £35 and the box retails for £28, so you're getting the box included and saving £7. So I do recommend, if you can afford it, then definitely do that. I feel like these are products that will last a long time, so yeah, overall really impressed, and it's perfect with summer coming up. If you love that glowy bronze look, then I would definitely recommend. I love anything with glitters in, and yeah, I mean all of it. Like even the lip gloss has got like little glitter particles in, so I'm absolutely here for the full collection. And also the scent of it all is phenomenal. Sometimes there's scents and I'm like, but all of this is amazing. And yeah, it all smells like vanilla-y, so if you love the vanilla scent, you are going to love all of this. So here's a little close-up of the lip gloss, the bronzer slash highlighter, the shimmery bronzer. Obviously, I've still got on all of the shimmers. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below as well, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!